In this video, we're looking at cones. So cones are made up with a circular base and a curved surface that goes all the way to the top. So if we were to find the surface area of a cone, we need to find the area of the base, which is the circle, pi times r squared, and this side bit where it falls nicely up into a cone. And this side bit has the radius of this sector is made up of the slant of this cone, and we have this all of this bit here that will wrap nicely around the cone, and the two slants go sort of here. So we have this area which is made up of these two, but it can be simplified as pi times r times the slant. So the total surface area, we're adding these two up, and then if we were to vectorize it so it looks a bit neater, this is what we end up with for the total surface area of the cone. Now the volume of the cone is a bit more straightforward. We just have a third times the area of the base, which is the circle, so pi r squared, times the height. So don't be confused with the slant. We're looking for the height, so this length here, rather than the slant, which is this length here. It doesn't matter if the cone is a little bit tilted to the side, we're still following the same formula to find the volume of the cone. Now let's look at this example together. It's asking us to find the volume and the total surface area. We'll start with the volume. So to find the volume, we want the area of the base, which is pi r squared, but in this case our r is half of 15. So you can do that in your head, or you can leave it as half of 15 squared, and then instead of h we'll write 19 as well. So if you just put this into your calculator, it should give you a value which is about 1119.19 millimeters cubed, and that's going to be our volume. Now for our total surface area, this is our formula, but we do need to know the slant, but it's not given to us here. This is the slant. We don't know what that is. However, we do know what this is. It's this 19, the height, and we also know what this is, and that's 7.5, which is the radius of the circle. So then we have a triangle, right angle triangle, where we have these values, and using this we can find the slant. Slant will have to equal to 19 squared plus 7.5 squared, and doing your usual calculations, we can come to find the slant, which should equal to around 20.43, and then finally we can do our calculation. Total surface area is pi times r, which is 7.5, times 7.5 plus 20.43, which equals around 658.09 millimeters squared.